Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simple mosaic art. Join me to see how I do it. I am going to use this wooden board that is already painted. It is important to paint and seal the wooden board before gluing the tile pieces. I drew the design first on the board. Next, I cut the tiles using a tile nipper. It is a must to wear eye protection glasses while cutting tile pieces. After that, I apply PVA glue one section at a time and glue the tiles. After gluing all the tiles on the design, I let it dry for 24 hours. The next day, I started grouting. First, I have to mix grout powder with water till it becomes a creamy paste. I put water little by little and mixed. I used white color grout on flower design, but after applying white grout, I'm not happy about the look of it. So I decided to apply black color grout on the entire design. I let it dry for 5 minutes and wipe off excess grout with a damp sponge. After few hours, it's look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell icon.